Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shankar. So in this video, I'm going to share some really important points regarding the NIT Warangal self-sponsored M.Tech program. And I have gathered these points from the various corners of the NIT Warangal, and I have attached those links in the description and as well as comment section. So feel free to open the links. So without any delay, let's start the video, guys. So coming to the first point, guys, as usually the announcement of applications. So it was done on the March 27th, and it was also mentioned that a tagline: candidates who are interested in the self-financed program. So what is meant by self-financed program? Like, you won't be getting any extra benefits or the stipends from the central government. So that's it, and there will be a little bit change in the fees. So I'm gonna tell you that too. So coming to the first point, guys, announcement of the applications, which was done on the March 27th, and it was also mentioned that a line: candidates interested in the self-financed M.Tech program must apply directly to the NIT Warangal. And what is meant by self-financed program means you are not getting any scholarships or stipend from the central government of India. So, and the application process usually involves filling out an application form to the institute's official website, and a fees of 2000 rupees should be paid. And the last day to receive the application was 25th of the April, and the April 25th is the last date, guys. And it was mentioned that the form required candidates to provide details about their academic qualifications, work experience if any, and GATE scores if applicable. And why? Because the selection is purely based on the merit based. So it was mentioned that admission to the M.Tech self-financed program is primarily based on the academic merit, guys. So there will be a primary selection, and after that, if you are getting selected using your undergraduate scores, undergraduate degree scores, you will be get selected for the interview or the examination to take. So while it was mentioned that while GATE qualified candidates may be given preference in some cases, non-GATE candidates can also apply for the admission. Because let's say if you got low GATE score like 200, 300, 400, 500, which is not eligible to apply for the NIT Warangal through the CCMT portal, but better keep that score in the application form. Okay, because it was mentioned that GATE qualified candidates may be given some preferences, so you better got some luck. So coming to the eligibility, guys, education qualifications as usually B.Tech or BE, there should be a 60% aggregate marks or a 6.5 GPA on the 10-point scale. Coming to the, so these are for general and OBC candidates. Coming to the SC, ST and PW candidates, the minimum requirement is 55% or 6.6 GPA. Okay, guys, this is the normal points, and coming to the very important points which I am going to discuss: the shortlisting of the candidates of the application process. So in this video, I'm going to share number of vacancies and the number of shortlisted candidates for the previous year. So in 2025, so the number of vacancies will be remain constant, guys. So let's see about the shortlisted candidates. So coming to the branches, civil engineering, I don't know how many guys have applied for the program. The shortlisted candidates are 121. For the number of vacancies is 70. So like there are several branches from the civil engineering, like several sub branches. So all those branches include 70 vacancies, guys. So the shortlisted candidates are 121. Coming to the electrical, the shortlisted candidates were 85 and the number of vacancies were 50. Mechanical, 84 shortlisted guys, and the number of vacancies were 50, and this is a usual number. But coming to this one, electronics and communication engineering, ECE, so coming to this branch, the shortlisted candidates were 337 guys for the vacancies of 30. Including all the sub branches of ECE, the only number of vacancies are 30 and the number of shortlisted candidates are 337. So it's not about the toughness of the exam or the syllabus you are dealing with, it's all about the competition. So better be prepared for it. And the chemical engineering, the shortlisted candidates are 32 and the number of vacancies are 20. Computer science engineering, which is the most competitive branch, so the shortlisted candidates are 437 guys last year 2025, and the number of vacancies are remained constant, 40 last year and this year too. You can check the websites you can go through the PDF which I have pinned in the comment section. So coming to the biotechnology, 69 number of guys are shortlisted and 10 vacancies. Material science, there are 10 shortlisted candidates, and there are no they haven't specified any number of vacancies. So there will be a total of 280 seats in the NIT Warangal for the self-sponsored M.Tech programming for all the branches. So you can imagine the competition. So after the shortlisting, there will be an interview or the written test from in between. The dates are mentioned May 28th to June 3rd. So coming to the exam pattern, guys, there was a lot of speculations regarding the Reddit, Quora, etc. But there is no official legal information from any of the websites. But it was confirmed that the exam pattern may change year to year. Okay. So that's all I can say about the exam pattern. So after the exam, after getting shortlisted and after writing the examination, if you got shortlisted for the seat acceptance, there will be a reporting procedure. Okay guys, so the announcement of the first phase will be on the June 5th. So the list of candidates who are get selected for the vacancies will be declared on the June 5th, and the online reporting and the payment of fees is June 8th to June 9th. So what does mean online reporting, guys? Online reporting means the giving all the details of your certificates and providing all of them and submitting through their website. So this is just a small process. And coming to the phase 2, if there are any vacancies after phase 1, the announcement of phase 2 results will be on the June 12th, and still there are any 1 or 2 vacancies, then there will it will be announced on the June 19th. So that's it, guys. So there will be 2 phases of reporting, guys. One is online reporting and second one is offline reporting. During online and offline reportings, you have to take away some important documents like mark sheet and degree certificates of the B.Tech and BE and your 10th and intermediate, and valid grade scorecard if you are applicable, and category certificate only for the reserved categories like SC, ST, OBC and EWS, along with the proof of age. It will be like your 10th mark sheet or the Aadhaar card, passport size photographs and other identification documents, migration certificate if applicable, and the income tax certificate. If applying for any fees relaxation or financial assistance, you should provide the income certificate. Coming to the one important point, guys, no employee shall be admitted as a regular full-time student of any full-time postgraduate course unless he or she is relieved from his or her duty by his or her employer, and unless a proper relief certificate by pursuing M.Tech degrees produced to that effect. So if you are doing any work, you shouldn't be admitted as a full-time student. So that's the one important point. So coming to the fees, guys, who are provisionally selected after the interview or the examination, it was mentioned that provisionally selected candidates must pay the seat acceptance fees of 1,02,500 rupees, which includes tuition fee for the first semester 60,000 and other institutional fees for the first year like 42,500 rupees. In addition, a hostel fees of 43,000 must be paid. So these are the most important points other than the other remaining points, guys. So I have made sure I have included all them. So if you have any doubts, just tag me in the comment section, or if you have any questions. That's it about this video. Please like and subscribe and please support, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.